Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very quick kind of unplanned get ready with me, blue shirt day, yes, and my bed is not made up because if you look very carefully right here, there's a booger boy in the bed. So, let him sleep. I am already moisturized and I am going to be using, I believe this one is matte and poreless. Yes, it is. I hope everyone's Easter was really good. The hubby and I just stayed home. I think a lot of holidays this year is probably going to be kind of that way. It's just going to be a rough year for me. My birthday's in a few days, and I can already feel that, you know, coming on. It's going to be a hard day. Every day's a hard day, I mean, but that's going to be even harder. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just kind of dreading it this year, dreading my birthday. Mother's Day is going to be extremely hard. I've already put off at work for that, so I hope they give it off because I'm going to be a complete wreck that day. Yeah, that's about it. That's not much going on right now. Get this blended out and get ready because I've only got about 20 minutes to get this done, guys. So we're doing a very quick and easy look today. I'm using, this is the Ulta, one of the Ulta sponges. It's not one of my favorites, but take one of my days off to wash all my brushes and my sponges. You guys know that. So I'm off tomorrow. So tomorrow's my wash day. Wash everything up. I keep my dirty sponges in a it's a actually like Bath and Body Works candle, you know, the empty. I keep those and I clean them out and use them for different things. Like here's one with clean sponges. So there's one in my bathroom with dirty sponges, and then there's one on my vanity with clean sponges. Alright, I think we're pretty good. I want to give an update on that e.l.f. Flawless Finish. I wore this with and without primer. Okay. And the first time I wore it without primer. It seemed to be okay. It seemed to be fine. Looking for my concealer. And then I wore it with primer. And I had to work that day. And when I got to work, and after about an hour, I went to the bathroom, and it looked terrible, guys. It looked so bad and cakey. I don't know if I put on too much, or if it was just too full coverage. You guys know I don't like full coverage, but it looked terrible. I actually had to buy makeup wipes and take my makeup off at work. I left my eye makeup on and just took everything else off. And I keep It Cosmetics foundation, powder foundation in my purse for touch-ups. And I just went back all over my face with that. And yeah, so I'm going to try it again, but sheared out a little bit with something and see if I like that better. That's just my preference. I mean, I just don't like full coverage foundation. I have like an obvious makeup line around the hairline. It was just, it was bad. And I'm just going to set my under eyes. And today we're going to be using the little eyeshadow palette that Ashley sent me. Yay, thank you, Ashley. She is having some surgery, I believe she said, later this week. So prayers and positive thoughts for you, my girl. Let me know how everything's going. We still not got a plan to get together. I'm not forgetting. Alright, so there is that. I'm trying to hurry because I do have to be at work and I am kind of running late. I did not sleep good at all. I did not sleep good at all. My eyelash curlers. Eyelash curlers are nice. I don't hardly ever use them. And mine is just always in the way no matter where I put it because it's just an awkward shape. About time for a new one of these. This is just the e.l.f. primer. You guys know I did get my eyebrows waxed Friday, and I did get about a ½ inch trimmed off my hair, which is wet and up in a bun right now. So I'm just going to take some matte powder and set my eyes. And of course, all my brushes are kind of in a wad right here. Just grab you and pat you on. Alright, that's done. So the little palette, and I have no idea where she got this little palette, but I've used it for the last couple of days. And it looks like this. It's called Chic Cosmetique. And when I open it, it does have a little mirror right here. But I have been using this for the last couple of days, and it is great because you guys know my eyeshadow can get really dark really quick without me meaning to. I'm just going to come into this little middle shade. It's a light mauve shade. And load that brush up. Tap just a little bit off. And so these are perfect when I want to keep it very light, but they still have some pigmentation. I don't know. See that? See, it's a light color, so I don't know how much you can see that. And this is pretty much the same look I did yesterday, and I really liked it, so I thought I would redo it for you guys. Alright, clean that off. I'm going to change brushes to, I think it's the number 8 out of my set, which is that Quartz Crystal from BH Cosmetics. This is the number 8. I'm going to come in with this kind of brown burgundy shade next to the end. I'm going to just tap the ends of the bristles into that and come in with little circles right here in the corner. Get the shape of your V. And some definition in that crease started. I'm going to pull one other shadow from a different palette just because I wanted a chocolate, kind of a chocolate brown that was even deeper than this. So I'm going to pull one other shadow from a different palette. And that, I think, just got way more high than I wanted, but we will work with it. It's okay. It is okay. Alright. I'm going to take, you know my favorite one, the number 7. I'm making sure it's good and clean. And I'm going to come in with Modern Renaissance. And I am just grabbing Cypress Umber, which is that chocolate. Any shade that has a nice rich kind of chocolate brown. I'm going to tap that off because you guys know Modern Renaissance does have some fallout. And I'm just keeping that shadow shade right in the corner. And this one is very pigmented, so you don't have to pick up much to get where you need to be. Just like that. I wish those palettes didn't have quite as much kick up as they do. Cleaning that brush off really good. And then I want to come in and blend that chocolate out a little bit more. No, I did not sleep well. One, because of this booger right here kept getting up on my legs. And if you guys know, I have sciatica in my legs, so they hurt already. And I'm going to take that brush from the Walmart set, that clear handled set, and we're going to come back and blend that edge. soften that up just a little bit more. And I'm going to come back to that palette and grab a shadow brush, and this is the one from BoxyCharm. Oh, I'm so excited for this month's BoxyCharm. I'm going to come in with this peach shade. I'm so excited. This BoxyCharm looks like it's going to be really, 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 really good. If you have not seen the spoilers, close your ears. We're getting a ColourPop palette, and it's one of 5. You could get one of the current 5 palettes. The only one I have is Dream Street, and Dream Street is not in that lineup. So yes, I'll be getting a palette that I don't have. So I'm very tickled about that. The other items are either a Tarte lippy or a MAC lippy, and I hope I get the MAC lippy. Let me check my time because I need to hurry. I'm looking for a eyebrow brush. Is this the one I want? Nope, that's not the one I want. But I may use that one just because I know which one I'm looking for. I want my new one. Maybe it's laying out here. No. Shoot. Where you be? There you are. I'm going to come back in with the e.l.f. Brow Wax. This is a new one. Well, I've had it for a little bit, but see how nice my eyebrows look. Look, she done such a good job. This is the shade Light. And this is also from that Walmart set. I'm just picking up a little bit of the wax. And you guys know I don't have to do a whole lot. That's pretty much it. Just a little bit of definition. I always start about midways. Right here. Get that point in. This one doesn't have as much as a point as this one. Get my baby hairs catching. I think that's pretty good. Oh, did he move? Did he get down? I think he got down. Alright, I want to just clean that brush off. Not this end, Shannon. This end. I got to hurry. Since I have their wax down, I'm not going to gel them or anything today. Eyeliner I'm going to grab, and it might be sitting out here in front of me and I don't even know because right now my thing is a mess. This is the eyeliner from the Love palette. You guys know this is such a good eyeliner. It's from Too Faced. I've got to hurry because it's already 15 after and I got 10 minutes to finish this up. All right, I'm going to take a little something to smudge that bottom a little bit. All right, and Tarte Pro Glow, we're going to get our bronzy on. And just a little at the forehead. And then a little down the neck. I still got to get my shoes on and my lunch. Lord have mercy, people. Okay, I told you this was not planned. I just grabbed, that's why there's no lights in the back. The bed's not made. Tiger was still in the bed. Hey guys, it's reality. We can't be perfect 24/7. I mean, you know, it's reality. Unmade bed, I'm sure everybody has seen. This is the Pretty Vulgar. One tap. Well, actually, that was 2 taps, but I kind of went in hard on that. And that's how you do that blush. It's just 1 tap, people. And then on the back of your hand, I'm grabbing the Fenty Beauty. I just dropped an eye brush because I'm hurrying. And I'm just going to take, because I can't find my brush that I use for highlights. So this is just an It Cosmetics brush. And just taking that point because it's super pointy. And giving that a little glow. Mascara, Shannon, you need some mascara. I grabbed the black, it's the Argan Black mascara. I love this stuff. You can get it on QVC. I think you can get it in Sephora. I don't know about Ulta. I think it's just, it might just be Sephora. Alright guys, this is pretty much it. A little bit of lip gloss, and I'm going to grab the Fenty because it's right in front of me. That's it guys, that is my look for today. Thank you so much, Ashley. Like I said, we still do need to get together. And I did get a little bit of mascara on me because I always get a hurry, and I didn't let it dry because I'm rushing, but that's okay. We got it. We got it. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you had a good Easter. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and commenting and liking the videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.